Hey, welcome to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view price charts for new and upcoming cryptocurrencies. So most of the times, people would head over to centralized exchanges like Binance or sites such as Coin or Coin Gecko in order to see recent price action of a coin. Or for more detailed charts and indicators, the standard is to use a website charting tool called TradingView. However, this process is not possible when trying to chart new coins that are yet to be listed on exchanges or price tracking sites. For example, if we come over to TradingView and try and search for Startup, then you can see that it will not show up. However, there are a few alternatives such as poocoin, bogged, and dextools. All three of these sites are similar in utility and they all offer charting tools for new coins as well as other tools to help research new projects as they are released. Many of these coins that are shown on these sites are just scams, so make sure you always do your due diligence before investing in any project. The first step to chart these coins is to get your hands on the token contract address. This can usually be found on the official website or social media accounts. For example, let's check out this project called YummyCoin. We can see that they have listed the contract address on their homepage. This is the unique address for this specific coin. Another way is to go directly to BSC scan for BEP20 tokens or Etherscan for ERC20 tokens and search the name of the coin. The bad thing is that anyone can create a project and name it YummyCoin and you could be selecting the wrong project. So always double check that you have a correct address for the project you want. Next, we can come over to any of these charting sites that I've mentioned. Let's just use poocoin as that's the one that I use mostly. Paste your address in the search bar and it should come up. Now we can see that we have access to the price chart for YummyCoin. We can change the time frame up here, but remember that many of these coins may only be a few days or even hours old, so there's most likely limited data available. So if we choose 15 minutes, each one of these candles represents 15 minutes of price action. As we can see here, it is using TradingView for the chart, even though if we go to TradingView, we wouldn't be able to see YummyCoin in their database. Some of the tools here that we normally use on TradingView don't really work all the time, and it can be a little bit buggy. However, it's still a good tool to use. Once these coins are listed on CoinMarketCap or Coin Gecko and other exchanges, you will start to see them included in the TradingView database. So that's how you can view price charts for all of your meme coins that you're researching. If you found the video helpful, then please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.